Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this XIAOMI. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on additional settings, scroll down again, click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher to activate it. Over here pick one of these options to pick size of your shrink screen, and then follow the instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to the one side. So if you want to use one-handed mode with your right hand, you need to follow these instructions to the right. If you want to go back, click on the black area. If you want to use it with your left hand, you can always do the same to the left and go back the same way. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!